I'm gonna show you my favorite way of giving myself an extra cleanse when I need a little bit of resurfacing, a little bit more attention to impurities and makeup removal. I'm going to pair the wash along with the resurface scrub. I actually love mixing the two of these together. So I'm gonna pull my hair back, get it out of the way. I love mixing a pump of the wash and then grabbing a scoop, about pea size, of the resurface scrub and mixing the two of them into almost like a paste. Now it's really important that you apply the scrub and the wash on a wet face, because what that's going to do is it's going to activate the alpha hydroxy acids and give it more of a slip. You actually see the scrub almost turn white, a little bit more foamy. This is done as well on its own, not just with the wash. The reason why I like to add the wash to the scrub is because it gives it a little bit of extra cleansing. Not only is this a physical scrub, but it's also a chemical scrub with the alpha hydroxy acids in it. So you're going to get extra exfoliation, extra resurfacing. Sometimes I like to even let it kind of sit for a few extra seconds and take my time with it and really let those alpha hydroxy acids sink in. So now we're going to wash it off. It really feels incredible. There is peppermint in here as well, which gives the skin a sense of almost like it's breathing, which I love. It just feels really refreshing and invigorating. Now that I've gotten the scrub off, I'm going to give myself a second cleanse. I love doing a double cleanse when I need a little bit of extra removal of makeup or impurities. I have some makeup on right now, so we're just gonna go right in. I'm getting my hands wet. You wanna do this on a wet face as well. The wash is a very subtly foaming wash. It feels super silky and soft. It has organic aloe in it, which is going to really kind of hydrate the skin while it also removes dirt. It smells like a walk through the forest after the rain. And you can see that it really kind of gets in there and removes the makeup as well. And I get very clogged pores around my nose, so I really like to spend a little extra time getting into those areas. And this is the moment that always feels really good, when you sort of just let the towel, the warm towel, sit right on the skin. The experience is so enjoyable because of the natural and botanic ingredients in there that kind of give you a bit of aromatherapy while you're doing it. It's working. And then we're just gonna get under the eyes. So my skin is feeling really clean, really fresh. It feels tight, but not drying. It feels a little bit more taut, which is always nice. And it is ready for my skincare. So that is my once to twice a week exfoliating cleanse that I love to do on my face. If I'm in the shower, I'll bring it down into my entire body. And that is my cleansing ritual that I love to do a couple times a week with the wash and the scrub.